Good morning, students. Jai Swami Narayan. I hope you all are fine. So, today's thought of the day: when you know better, you do better. यानी आप कुछ भी करने के लिए कुछ अपने दिल से आप इच्छा करते हो कुछ अच्छा करने का, तो क्या होगा? अगर आप किसी के लिए भी अच्छा करोगे या सोचोगे अच्छा करने का, तो क्या होगा? आपके साथ भी हमेशा अच्छा ही होगा. ओके, एंड दैट इज व्हाई इट इज कॉल्ड दैट व्हेन यू नो बेटर. अगर आप अच्छा सोचोगे जानोगे तो आपके साथ हमेशा अच्छा ही होगा. व्हेन यू नो बेटर यू डू बेटर. ओके. Okay students, from here we are going to start the second part of the chapter, that is grandpa's friend part 2. Okay students, so you don't understand. John Pop-up shook his head from side to side, and after a long pause he said, I sat in this chair with your grandma right here. Means what he said to the John, that he was not talking for the very long time now. After that he told to him that I was sitting in this chair when your grandma was right here only. When I asked her to marry me, it was so long ago, but when I sit in the chair and close my eyes, I feel she is near. Means what the grandfather told to her, that after the so long time when the grandma was there and I have asked her that I will marry to you, now she is not there. But then also he told to John that now when I am sitting on this chair now and closing my eyes, I feel that your grandma is near to me only, here only. Okay, so the old man passed his hand gently along the arm of the chair. What the old man did after that? He passed his hand gently along the arm of the chair. यानी जो चेयर के आर्म्स थे वहाँ पे उन्होंने अपने हाथों को एकदम धीरे से वहाँ से पास किया, वहाँ पे रखा. ओके, इट्स अमेजिंग, जॉन थॉट, हाउ पॉपअप कैन रिमेंबर थिंग्स फ्रॉम द पास्ट. उसे ऐसे लगा कि अरे कैसे एक ऐसा हो सकता है कि पॉपअप को पहले जो चीज़ें हुई थी वो सारी याद है, जबकि उन्हें आज की चीज़ें तो कभी कभी भूल जाते हैं, पर पुरानी तो सारी की सारी बातें बहुत उन्हें अच्छे से याद है. और इट्स एन रियली एन अमेजिंग थिंग अकॉर्डिंग टू द जॉन. Okay, in the present he forgot almost everything. Means in today's time now, what that pop-up was doing, he used to forget of all the things, but he was not able to forget the things which had happened with him in the past. So John sat down on the floor by Pop-Up's feet and listened as the old man went on. Means what happened after that, when Pop-Up was telling to him that how he is feeling here. At that time John just sat down on the floor by the Pop-Up's feet, and he was listening to the things which were happened with the old man in the past, and he was listening, and that he was also listening the stories which the Pop-Up was telling to him of his past. Okay, and that grandpa was talking with whom? With the John, and he was telling him the things which had already happened in the past. Okay, so he talked to him in that way, that and the night your father was born, I sat in this chair. मीन्स जिस दिन उसके पापा मीन्स जॉन के फादर का जन्म हुआ था, उस रात भी जो दादाजी थे वो उसी चेयर पे बैठे हुए थे, और वो बहुत ज़्यादा नर्वस हो गए थे. आई वॉज नर्वस, आई वॉज स्कैर्ड when they placed the tiny baby into my arms, yet I was never happier. A smile suddenly lighted his old face, means he remembered the thought on the day when his this John's father was born. He remembered that the incident, that how he was feeling on that day. He was very scared and he was very nervous. And after some time, when they brought their small baby, tiny baby, and put it in the arm of the grandpa, at that day he was very very happier on that day. And he smiled suddenly. Who smiled suddenly? That the old face of his grandfather, as he had remembered the old days of his. Okay students, then I think I am beginning to understand, John said thoughtfully. After listening all this ना, तो जॉन thought that I am able to understand the things. उसको ऐसे लगा कि मुझसे भी कुछ कुछ समझ में आने लगा है, और वो सोचने लगा कि I think I am beginning to understand and I am able to understand the thing which the Pop-Up is trying to tell. Okay, many years later, Pop-Up's voice broke and he paused a moment before he continued. For पहले तो वो जब उन्होंने ऐसी बात की दादाजी ने, तो वो कुछ देर के लिए वो कैसे हो गए, एकदम चुप हो गए, फिर पॉज हो गए थे कुछ समय के लिए, और फिर उन्होंने थोड़ी देर वापस कंटिन्यू किया. आई सैट इन दिस चेयर when the doctor called and told me that your grandma was ill. यानी उसने फिर वो चीज़ याद आई कि जब वो इस चेयर पे बैठे हुए थे और उसी दिन जो डॉक्टर था वो वहाँ पे आया था और उन्होंने कहा था कि जो ग्रैंड माँ है वो बीमार हो गए हैं. आई वॉज लॉस्ट विदाउट हर बट द चेयर गेव मी comfort and warm. Means what happened, he told to him that जब उनकी दादी वहाँ से डाइड हो गई और वो चले गए, तो उनके जाने के बाद भी जो ये चेयर थी वो उनको एक अच्छा, बहुत अच्छा सपोर्ट था, और उनके साथ वो वहाँ पे कंफर्टेबल फील करता था. कहाँ पे कंफर्टेबल फील करता था? वहाँ पे चेयर पे बैठना, वहाँ पे उन्हें एक अच्छी सी वार्मनेस फील करते थे. ओके, द ओल्ड मैन सैडनेस सीम्ड टू ग्रो एज ही रिकॉल द अनफॉर्चुनेट डेज. मीन्स वो जैसे जैसे पुराने अनफॉर्चुनेट डेज वो याद करने लगे, तो उनमें थोड़ी थोड़ी वो दुखी होने लग गए. I am sorry, Pop-Up. John looked at his grandfather and said, I don't see now. This is not just any old chair. This chair is more like your friend. Means what the John told to his father, that now I realize that this chair is not the old chair like other, but it is the chair like your friend. And I know that this thing very well. So yes, we have gone through a lot together, Pop-Up said. Means he again said to the John that I have thought lot of things together on this chair. By sitting on this chair, I have gone through the lot of the things and lot of बहुत सारी ऐसी यादें और बहुत सारी चीज़ों को उसने वहाँ पे याद किया. That night, however, when John and Pop-Up were asleep, यानी जब रात को जॉन और उसके दादाजी सो रहे थे, what happened? John's mom and dad carried the chair out to the footpath. Means when the old father and John was sleeping, now you know what happened at that day. The John mom और उसके डैडी ने क्या कर दिया, उन्होंने वो चेयर को वहाँ से उठा के फुटपाथ पे फेंक दिया. It was starless night. Though spring had set in, snow fell silently from the black sky and covered Pop-Up's chair with a blanket of white. Means जब उन्होंने वहाँ पे फेंक दी ना चेयर, तो वो क्या होने लगा वहाँ पे, वो एक स्टारलेस नाइट थी, यानी कोई भी स्टार दिखाई नहीं दे रहा था, और वैसे भी स्प्रिंग का सीज़न पास आ रहा था. देन ऑल्सो द स्प्रिंग वॉज फॉलिंग, मीन्स स्प्रिंग वॉज कमिंग देयर ना. देन ऑल्सो द स्नो हैज स्टार्टेड फॉलिंग and it covered the whole chair, Pop-Up's chair on that day like a blanket of white. मीन्स जो स्नोफॉल होने लगा उससे वो पूरी चेयर जो थी वो ढक गई. द नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग व्हेन जॉन came downstairs, Pop-Up stood by the window and looked outside. मीन्स नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग जब दूसरे दिन सब उठ गए थे तब जॉन नीचे आया देखने के लिए. तो उसने क्या देखा, जॉन ने देखा कि उसके पापा दादाजी जो थे वो विंडो से बाहर देख रहे थे. अ टीयर रोल डाउन हिज हॉलोड चिक, यानी उनके जो गाल थे वहाँ से आंसू गिर रहे थे. जॉन फॉलोड द ओल्ड मैन्स गेज and froze. Means he was totally how he was like gaze and froze. Snow covered the chair, stood on the footpath out of the house. Means what he saw, he also saw, John also saw that the chair was covered with the snow. It shocked John. He ran outside. Means when he saw that the chair is outside of the house, he was very shocked and he just ran outside. Wait, don't take the chair, he shouted, waving both arms in the air as he rushed to stop the man from taking the chair away. Means when he saw the man, who are the men who came there to take that chair, they were the garbage taker na, they came there to pick up that chair na. So this John tried to stop them and telling them please don't take this chair. Okay, so you can't throw out his chair, this is not just a chair. What he was trying to tell to his mom, that mom, this is why you have thrown out the chair, this is not just a chair, this chair has been with Pop-Up from a very long time, this chair is like to his friend. Means he told to whom, John told to his mother that you are not supposed to, you must not have to supposed to throw the chair out of the house, it is just not a chair for Pop-Up, it was just like a friend for him. So here again one question is there, what end do you expect? Means which kind of end you expect from this story? So it is like John's mom will realize her mistake, she will understand the importance of the chair in Pop-Up's life, like she will put the chair back in the house. Means according to us, by reading the chapter we come to know that John's mom will understand that how much the chair is important for the Pop-Up, and she will bring it again in the house. Okay, so next, then John's mom turned and looked at the old man. So when that John told to his mother that you are not supposed to throw the chair, so at that time John mother turned back and she looked at the old man. Slowly she walked towards him. Means after looking at him what she did, she just slowly walked towards the Pop-Up. With her middle and ring finger she wiped away a tear. Means she also saw that grandfather who was standing there was crying, and what she did, she just wiped away the tears of her John's grandfather. Okay, and then she took the old man's face into the both her hands and said, I am sorry, by catching her face with both her hands. Now what she told to the John, that I am sorry Pop-Up, I guess I just didn't realize how much the car meant to you, John, and I will bring your chair back inside. Means at that time she realized, when she saw that Pop-Up crying she told to him that now I am I was not realizing that thing, but now I am able to understand now, and I will bring the chair with John back to the house. Okay. Okay, students, now they brush off the snow with their hands and push the chair back inside. Means by seeing the tears in the grandfather's pop-up's eyes. Now what the John's mother did, she went outside and picked up the chair. She pushed the snow with her hand and brought the chair again inside in the house. Okay, they place it next to the fireplace so it should dry. What she did, as the snow was there on that chair, now it has become wet. So what she did, she kept that chair next to the fireplace so that it could get dry. John's mom stepped back then, and as if seeing the chair for the very first time, spoke to herself, I guess it doesn't give the room a certain touch of character. मीन्स यानी वो क्या सोचने लगी, जैसे उन्होंने ही आज पहली बार वो चेयर देखी हो ना, वैसे उनका सोच हो गई और वो सोचने लगी कि आई गेस दैट इट डजेंट गिव द रूम a certain touch of character. And John and Papa, who lighthearted, agreed that the living room would be rather dull without this old chair. और जब वो वहाँ पे जॉन और उसके पापा भी वहीं पे खड़े थे, तो उनका होल हार्टेडली उन्होंने क्या अग्री किया कि हम इस लिविंग रूम में रहते हैं, तो अगर वो जो हमारे रूम में लिविंग रूम में अगर चेयर तो जो ना हो तो हमें वो कैसे लगेगी, एकदम डल दिखाई देगी और हमें वहाँ पे बिल्कुल भी अच्छा नहीं लगेगा. सो इन दिस वे ना वी हैव completed the reading of this chapter. Okay students, so take care and goodbye.